Hi, welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Today is July 21st, 2026. Okay, let me share the agenda. So today we are using the new LFX Project Control Center meeting account. So the CNCF asked us to move before July 31st to the new account, but I can no longer use the old account. So we jump directly without a lot of notifications. So sorry, and good job for everybody who got my message. We can enable Zoom AI in this meeting. I don't know what it does. I will probably read the doc. And there is a nice feature that I need to set up is like the automatic upload of the meetings once it's done. So I don't have to do it manually, but I have to generate a YouTube key or something. So, Ben is here. Hey, Ben. Okay, Ben has no sound, probably. I'm adding you, Ben. Okay, don't worry. Can you speak?
Yeah, I can speak. I'm going to stay only for like 15 minutes because then I need to go to another meeting. Just wanted to come in and meet the guys here.
Okay, cool. Maybe I'm gonna move the KubeCon CFP topic before, maybe. Okay, so yeah, first item was like we jumped to the new meeting. Apparently you found the link. That's good. So second item, KubeCon NA. So we ask for the kiosk. Or the Kubescape. No, we didn't ask for anything else, right? Lightning talk or
No, I don't remember. No, we didn't ask for lightning talk this year. We do have like a few submissions.
okay. Yeah. And I don't know, Constance, do you are you in the program review team?
Yeah, I was, I think I can say it now because it's over. I was track chair for emerging and advanced and normal review in the security con, but obviously I didn't review our own.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So I'm going to be there. So, and maybe, hopefully Ben and my talk gets accepted.
Okay. Cool. I don't think I'm coming, but it's cool. Anyway, you are traveling all over the world, Constance. It's part of your job. Yeah. Anything else on the CFP? No, I think the deadline is passed already, no? Yeah.
Yeah, it's way past.
Okay. Cool. Now I think probably the most important topic for most of the attendees of this meeting is let's see if we have good project ideas for next term in the LFX. So just for the background, we have like currently 2 projects in the current term. We are halfway through it. I did the paperwork for the review. I'm happy so far. Like Yugal and Sanshit are doing a great job. And yeah, maybe they want to do like an update after. But now let's find some ideas for next term. Yugal, I think you had an idea.
Yes, Vex ingestion, external Vex ingestion. I had proposed this idea on design and proposal. You could
Yes.
perhaps have that, no?
Let me see. I think we still have the open PR for it, right?
Oh yes, one of them is open. I think it would be evidence of finding. I think some user was requesting it.
Yeah.
I have to make changes that you requested. I completely forgot about that PR. I will make it today.
This one, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You have to make some changes in this. We could have.
Okay. So that's one option. You think
Yes.
it's doable in 12 weeks? Yeah,
Yes, yes, it's
easy.
doable. 12 weeks. I think so.
Yeah, okay.
And one of them was closed, I think, merged PR. I think the first PR is proposal external Vex ingestion. This was the one which we discussed on Slack.
Yeah,
Yes, you could check it
right.
and yes, if
So
you think it.
that's another proposal. Yes.
Mhm.
Let me document it here. Okay. Um, yeah.
The CLI over cluster operations, I'm currently in the process of doing. I have to raise some PRs.
I know. Yeah, I know. This one is not free. I know. Yeah, there was like Aditya. Is he here? No. Maybe Adi is you, right?
Hi, hello.
Yeah, hello. So that's your proposal, right? Where you want to do the multi-cluster aggregation thing.
Yeah, this was my proposal. So I've been like, I would like to work on this feature also. But I'm also quite interested in the Google's proposal also, that Vex injection also.
Yeah.
I think we can choose that project for the upcoming LFX term.
Mhm. Okay. This one, there were like few things to discuss on it, like because you say it relies on the issue 2004, and this one we weren't sure with Ben that we wanted to do it. I remember Ben had like a comment there, like maybe it's risky to do it. Was it? Okay. Don't want to take risk because this refactor is not urgent. Okay, it's not
Yeah,
urgent, but
so again, I think if we would implement this from the beginning, like we start the whole thing from zero, I think definitely this would be the way. I was just like concerned that that what it will mean like for from a coding perspective, like how much risks it introduces. Um, yeah, because the current implementation is like I agree it's not really good,
mm,
but yeah.
but like fixing this is a prerequisite if we want to do this multi-cluster thing,
That's
probably. Yeah,
again, I'm not against it. Like, okay, let's see a proposal, how it would be solved, how much risk is it, and let's. I'm not like I don't want to kill the idea, and that's not the point. I was just like, uh, if there is a need for the multi-cluster fleet posture, then we can see how to do it. My comment was coming from, okay, like it's nice to have, but it's not like an important, like if we have
yeah,
a use case, I don't mind it at
yeah,
all.
sure. And there is like another proposal that I discussed with Dolly. So she is not here today, but we discussed it a bit this morning. So she proposed to do a sort of, I don't know how to put this in the, one sec. I open this? Do you see it? Yeah. Okay. The idea was to do like this what is the GPT K8s, but for the for Kubescape. So the idea is to leverage the MCP that we have in Kubescape right now. That Dolly is improving over the last few weeks, past weeks, and she proposed to have like an independent agent specialized in security that would call the MCP to find things to fix and like fix them automatically in the cluster with the help of an LLM. So I don't know, Ben, you are the most agentic
Yeah,
guy
yeah, I
here that I know.
I would need to read it.
Yeah.
I think it's a nice idea in general. I'm
Yeah.
adding also another option to the document here. We can decide to remove it. It's just like a pull request that just came in the last 20 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Nice.
so it's scanning the agentic runtime CRDs of the Google agentic sandbox,
Yeah.
which is, I think it's a nice work that someone can take on himself, herself, and start to go into the Google agentic framework
Yeah.
through.
Do you think it's big enough for 12 weeks?
I think you're right. It might not be enough. It would be. So we thought to extend this with runtime part findings, but we'd need to also involve constants in that. So on the G advisor part, um,
Oh my God.
yeah, we can extend it. Like we can start to and we can extend it.
Okay.
I'm really sorry, I need to drop, but I will follow up. If you think that it's interesting, then this also can be something that we can pursue.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool.
see you guys.
See you.
I think there are quite a few papers now, also from NIST, that the response part, giving that to the AI, is highly discouraged for reasons of risk. I think
Yeah.
taken into account. Like I don't want to shoot it down, but like I do officially decline all proposals that do not have a mathematical risk definition of doing response with LLMs. So I haven't read the proposal first. So.
Yeah, I see. So this one was just the YAMLs, not runtime, but yeah, I see your point.
It's also about liability, and
Yeah.
you need to somehow calculate the fallout and who would pay for that, and who is actually responsible if you do this autonomous sort of thing. Because detection is fine, but then a decision based on something that is potentially very wrong and destructive. Yeah.
I see. Yeah.
And there are also many out there. There are many POCs of this type out there, and I hope that the Dolly has read them. Like just search GitHub for them.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. Any other proposal? So of course, since the deadline is like end of this week, I think, or end of next week, but soon-ish, I will try to fill in the proposals tomorrow afternoon or something like this. So if you have more, if any of you has more ideas, just like jump in the Kubescape dev and say it. Okay. Hugo, okay, I'm like, I didn't ask you before, so like it's totally fine if you're not ready, but do you want to update us on your project since it's a midterm?
Yes.
Oh yes, I think it's 90% ready. We have to
Yeah, I
completely
think too. Yes.
I have to completely test it end to end and against edge cases. I have to think of all the edge cases. Maybe you could help me with it too. You could perhaps I could consult you. And then we have to promote the CRD from V1 beta 1 to V1, I think. Would that be the next step according to you?
Yeah, we can, or we leave beta all the time. You know, I'm like, I remember having like Gmail in beta for 20 years, so I'm
Oh,
okay with beta.
so I think yeah, and then documentation work is left. I think. And then we have to polish. If we find some bugs, then we have to solve them.
Yeah, sure. Do
That
you have
much
a
is
demo to show us or not?
currently on this laptop. I don't have it at the complete setup because this is a MacBook.
Yeah.
My Ubuntu laptop is not currently working. I'll show you in another meeting if we.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can in 2 weeks make a short demo. I was still hoping to have the headlamp demo, but like I couldn't reach Matthias, so
Oh
one more 2
yes.
weeks without the headlamp demo as well. Cool. So 50%. Cool. Tanshit?
Hi.
Hey.
So I think we have covered 80% of the evaluator, not 90% of the whole project.
Yeah.
We have the conversions left. We have the remediation cap, which we just discussed in the PR, and
Yeah.
a cost budget to add. I'm also planning to add an end-to-end test that runs real scan over a WAP control, and at last the documentations can go. That will cover the whole evaluator. Then we can move on to the conversions.
Yeah, I think it's also like going nicely. Like, yeah, both of you have been like really efficient, so it's like going smoothly. We will definitely meet the deadline. So it's cool. Cool. Okay. Anything else to discuss before I do a bit of triage?
I wanted to just quickly ask you if we can, or if you're planning to release the new Helm chart, or if you maybe already have released it.
Soon. So yeah, new Helm chart. I have to release one. Like, basically today or tomorrow. Because I have a lot of push from customers as well. I still owe you the PR on the rule library for the signature verification and the node agent integration for this one. I know. I will do it next week, hopefully.
Yeah, that is not so important. It was just that I was at a couple of conferences, as you might have noticed.
Yes.
So Kubescape was, of course, presented, and people are like, "Yeah, I want to try it," and it's a bit weird. Even on the formal documentation, it's my fork Helm chart, right?
Yes. Yeah, I saw. Yes.
Just like it might look a bit more professional if we use the official one. So even if the rule, I think the sign tampering one is not the core piece.
Yes.
That one later.
Yeah. No. Obviously. So yeah. I'm running some tests. I added some more tests like this morning, not related to you. Yeah. The target is to release either today or tomorrow. So I will really push hard on this.
No, don't. It's I will then just open a new PR for the documentation site, and then the new plan is to create a Bob agent where people can talk to my agent, and then they can basically create an SBob to use with Kubescape that basically produces them for them like 90% finished. And I want to present that in September, and it's going to be better if it all uses the Kubescape Helm chart.
Yeah. No. Definitely. Yeah. We lost 2 weeks because of my vacation, but yeah.
I was able to clean up Pixie, so it was fine.
Yeah. Cool. I watched your talk. It was great. The Munich one.
The Munich one was good, yeah. The
Yeah.
Zurich one was terrible. I was too hungover.
Yeah. It was good as well, but yeah. Cool. Okay. So yeah.
Perfect.
Released not now, but like today. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna jump into a quick triage session. If you want to leave, you can leave. Just refreshing the board.
Well, then I talk to you soon. Good luck with all the projects. It's fantastic to see all these people in Kubescape, and talk soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Constance. Bye-bye. Okay, so
Hey, Ben. Hey, Mathis.
hey.
So, like, I have a little bit of implementation ready for the Vex ingestion one proposal. If it will come for the upcoming LFX project, I will share you the implementation plan shortly in the Cubescape dev.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, just remember we have to follow the process and
Yeah, that I
yeah,
know.
and even if it's you that proposing, I cannot guarantee that it's gonna be you chosen because
Oh, yeah. Okay, sure.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I know like Sunshit, for example, took a proposal from what's his name? That was proposed by I don't know, and I think he took it badly because he's no longer coming. So so I mean I don't want to be like bad with anyone. We just need to like follow the process of LFX. Otherwise, they will think it's we are arranging things. So which is not the case. Like we are taking ideas and then we are taking candidates and we are trying to match the best. So there is
Yeah,
no guarantee.
yeah. No
Yeah.
problem.
So let me see. You fixed this one now? Is this one fixed? 18 seconds scan response. Yeah. Fixed. Can someone just like make sure that we have the offline working from A to Z? This is like bummer, and I don't have time to work on it. Okay. This is Constance. Please do. Okay. But that's by definition. Okay, see. That's a good one. This one is interesting. If one of you wants to work on this one, it's a good one. The fix is probably 2 lines, but like it's interesting to see how the SBOM manager and everything like works together. So that's a nice exploratory task. If any of you is interested. Yeah. This one to fix this one, we have to release the Rego library with the release. Ben agreed to do it. We just need to figure out how to do it.
Another issue as well required a Rego release. I think a user reported it around my.
Yeah.
So I was just about to.
But here the Rego release is with a proper tag, not with the generic v2 tag. So we will try to do it like both together at the same time. I mean.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, this one I'm on it. No, that's okay. Good. And now the PRs. Okay, I'm gonna check those. Yeah. Yeah, this one we can merge. I think I accepted it. No. Okay, no, but this one is good. Okay, I think the rest are just like proposals that we need to discuss a bit. Okay. Good. Okay. Well, I think that's it for now. Thank you very much for attending and for working on Kubescape. We really appreciate your work, and I'm trying to be like responsive because I know it's a pain to wait for review or stuff. I'm trying my best. Okay, but thank you for being patient. Let's see each other in 2 weeks.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.